It is time to continue to work on our writing. We're still doing a narrative writing. We're going to do our pre-writing today and some drafting today. And you will remember that we started with some practice in your reader's notebook, and we practiced writing a letter, a friendly letter, and we talked about all the different parts that are included in a letter. So this time, we're going to write a friendly letter. Tell about a time you had a special meal with your family or with friends. Write and draw details that tell what happened first, next, and last. I will write my letter to my mom. I will tell about a special lunch with my friend. The first thing I'm going to talk about is that we went out for pizza. Next, we ate lots of pizza and it was good. Last, we told the waitress we did not want dessert. Please turn in your reader's notebook. Here's your copy of what we just did. It's now your turn. You're going to write and draw details that tell about what happened first, next, and last. So you are going to be planning your own letter. I will write my letter to. I will tell about a special meal, a special meal or time with your family or friends. And then you're going to include some details. What happened first, what happened next, and what happened last. Go ahead and complete this organizer. Remember to list your events in order and to include details that tell who, what, where, and when your experience happened. Once you are finished, we're going to begin our drafting. So please pause the video now and join me when you're done. Now it's time to draft your letter. I want to remind you that your letter should include the date, a greeting, and a closing. The date is what we write first. It tells when the letter was written. Our greeting tells who the letter is for. The body gives the details that we listed in our graphic organizer. The closing ends the letter, and the name tells who wrote it. So join me as I draft my letter. All right. Join me as I draft my letter. The first thing I need to write is the date. Remember, we talked about all the names of the month. This month is February. Remember, we need to capitalize the names of the month. Today is February 25. This is one of the places that you'll find a comma, and then my year. Come back over here. The next thing that I need to include in my letter is the greeting. Remember, I decided I was going to write my letter to my mom. So I'm going to capitalize Dear and then the name Mom. There's another comma. Now I need to start with the body of the details of my special meal. Remember, Dear Mom, who did I go out with? I went out to a special meal with my friend. So I went out for a special meal with my friend. And I'm going to include her name. Details are always excellent when we're writing. I went out for a special meal with my friend. Now I'm going to include the details in order that I put on my reader's notebook page. I'm going to use that to help me write this. We went out for pizza. That was my first. It was very good. And I'm excited about that. I have a strong feeling about good pizza. It was very good. Remember, too, we ate a lot. My third thing that I included in the body of my letter was that we told the waitress that we did not want dessert. Now it's time for my closing. And my closing is just sincerely or some kind of a way that you're going to kind of say goodbye in your letter. So I'm going to put, since it's my mom, I'm going to write, and remember this has to be capitalized, love, and then my name, Kelly. Now in the examples of our letter, these two lines were kind of over here. And I'm going to leave them here. You can put them wherever you would like in your draft. You are going to write this draft in your composition notebook. In video 3, we will be revising and publishing your friendly letter.